You're welcome once again to my channel. I remain Oluwafolakemi, your tutor on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified the moment we have a new video. What you require for this is listed right there. What are we working on? There is the image, but what we'll be doing basically is we'll be manipulating the shoulder seam, that manipulation and all of that. Without too much playing around, let's get into it. Taking our front block and the back, half of each one, join them together as so there is no gap between the two. What I mean by join them together without gapping in any part of the two, the seams, join them, the darts, join them together so that it can stand together as one piece. There it is. Then we'll mark every peak, which is the peak of the front bust and the peak of the dart at the back, the peak of the dart in front rather, and the peak of the dart at the back. Then we'll draw our art right there, more like a skeletal form to see where it would sit. That's done. Then we drew our lines using our set of curves for that of the art, while that of the shoulder seam will be using a ruler. Except if we want a curvy line there, we can use our set of curves there too, but really I don't need a curvy line there, so I'll be using a ruler there. You might have to flip your curve around severally to get the perfect fit, because there's a possibility the curve will not go in one. You won't be able to get a line in one go. So feel free to flip your curve around several times to get what you really want. So I decided to cut into the shoulder seam, the new shoulder seam, so I can be able to finish my marking on the art. Basically what I did was place marks as strategic points on the art, then number them. You can go numeric and you can go alphabetic. For me, I went alphabetic. Whichever one you decide to do is fine. That done, now we can cut into it so that the pattern is laying flat. The whole essence of manipulation, before you can be able to transfer it, is to ensure the pattern is laying flat. So that done, we'll cut the art out of a print. And peradventure you don't have print fabric around you, you can just do two different colors of fabric. As such, the art on the side can really pop. If you go on my YouTube, on my Instagram page, there was one I posted. They are both plain. I think it's a red and a yellow. Yellow was the basic fabric, while the red was the art. You add your seam allowance. I forgot to say that. Add your seam allowance to every part that will be joined into another. Then you snip into those marked points. That becomes a guide to where should meet and where should not really meet. That done, we align the notches and pin them together, the art and the basic part. the parts that are supposed to go together are the parts you would align. As you're going on, you will notice that some parts tend not to just be able to fill in each other, meaning from point 1 to point 2, the two sides tend not to just be able to sit conveniently together. In the situation where you have that, you snip into the part that is short so that you can stretch it a bit to align to the other part. You see, that's what I'm saying there. Snip into it. Mind you, don't snip more than the seam allowance you added. For me, I added 1 centimeter seam allowance. As such, my snipping was like half of a centimeter, not more than that. As well, the two sides can be able to lay conveniently together without too much issues. So once all of that is done, take it to your sewing machine, stitch it in place. It should come out perfect. That's the back view. There's the side, and here's the front view. Feel free to play around with it. I would love to hear about your outcome. Whatever questions you have about this, please drop it in the comment section. I will attend to it as soon as possible. Thank you very much for your time. Till our next video, bye bye.